This assessment asks us to provide an arrow pushing mechanism for the reaction shown here, an alkene reacting with HBr. And so to start with, the alkene is the nucleophile. The electron density is here. Bromine is electronegative. That means the hydrogen is electron poor, and so that's our electrophile. Negatives attack positives. And so we can take the arrows, the electrons from the double bond, and have them attack the proton. Now, we can put the proton either on the top carbon or the bottom. Those are equivalent. And we get those arrows. So we now have the proton attached to the top carbon. Electrons left the bottom carbon, so this is positively charged. And we still have bromide around. The next part of the reaction, negatives attack positives, is the bromine attacking the positive charge to form the carbon-bromine bond as shown here.